Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. I'm here with Little Midwest. We're going to do a taste test of these cookies. These Chips Ahoy, these wonderful things. I'll put a picture up here too. But before we do this taste test of these fantastical cookies, we're going to do a quick little office tour. I bought 3 8x10 photographs from Kat, the nurse flipper, and I finally got around to getting frames, and I put them up here in the eBay office. Quick office tour. There's my soundtrack album. These photos, I bought the first 3 from Kat, the nurse flipper. You can see those. They're all 8x10s. And there's that. There's that. There's that. So just a quick little office tour. My good, the bad, and the ugly 8x10 photos. And the album. You got the bad guy there. And then if you're wondering about how my inventory works, I got it all here and here and here. My photo box. So yeah, just a quick little fun little office tour. And a shout out again and a big thanks to Kat, the nurse flipper. Alright, so that's the quick little tour. I don't often do office tours. People don't really care about that. But this is a different video. It's a fun video. I don't know if you even know this, but Chips Ahoy made these cookies. Limited edition cookies. I bought 2. 1 to try, 1 to hold on to. Once they disappear from the market, if people go crazy, I might put them on eBay. I don't know. Or maybe we'll just eat them. But Sour Patch cookies. It doesn't make any sense to put these in a cookie, but we're going to man up and try them. Who wants to go first? You want to go first? Wow. Alright, here we go. Dig in. Take a big bite. Give me your honest opinion. It's a combination of sweet and sour. Is that the best cookie you've ever... Is that the best cookie you've ever had?
It's gooey and...
Gooey? Is it sour?
No, it kind of tastes like a sugar cookie.
Really? Let me try. Oh, look at all those. And that one's packed full. Not often I eat on camera. You don't want to see people stuffing their face, especially me. Wow. That's it's a marriage of dry wheat with sugar. Doing a little square dance on my tongue with the Sour Patch candies. I should probably cleanse my palate before tasting this because I had tacos for dinner. But it's not that bad. People seem to hate these. I thought, my head would explode and it would be terrible and Little Midwest would faint and fall off camera. You want another one? Mm-hmm. All right. So, what would you give this on a scale of 1 to 10? With 10 being the best and 1 being the worst, what would you give it?
7.
A 7. Everybody online is saying that these things taste like dirt. They're not bad. I think I'll have another one. So, I don't know that I'd buy them again. Would you want me to buy these again? She likes them. They're really not that sour to me. They're kind of more sweet than they are sour. It says sour, sweet, gone. Sour Patch Kids. I don't know. They're not really that bad. So that's the cookie taste test. I was thinking that we would go insane and our hair would set on fire. But, I just noticed we both have haircuts. Got my cut yesterday. All right, that's it, guys. Quick video. Short video, just kind of a fun thing to do this cookie taste test. Try them out yourself. You never know, you might like it. If you like Sour Patch Kids candy, is that what it is? Yeah, Sour Patch Kids candy. They're now in Chip Ahoy cookies. There's no chocolate chips in the cookies. It's just the Sour Patch candies. Oh, sour chips, it looks like. Okay, so it's got sour chips and sour kids in the cookie. Who knew? So that's it, guys. Put down in the comment section if you've tried these cookies. Put down in the comments if you're afraid to try these cookies. Yeah. thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe. Normally I talk about what sold on eBay, or sourcing videos, or flea markets, or auctions and stuff like that. More videos coming up on what sold on eBay. I've been selling like crazy. I sold a piece of paper for over $170. That'll be coming up in the next video. Any last words? You want to put this pack in your room? Keep it, eat it in the middle of the night? That's it, guys. See you next time.